What is up, YouTube? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Today's upload is quite an interesting one. It's something I'm really excited to be uploading, and it's a pretty big purchase, but nonetheless, I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. I got the PRL MOTORSPORTS cold air intake, the high volume, and I already did open the package. I just picked it up yesterday, but I wasn't able to record anything. But nonetheless, here is our PRL cold air intake, and I'm really excited to be installing this on the car. Seen so many reviews. I was gonna go with the engine one, but the place that I went to go get this from also told me that a lot of the other intakes have, in the long run, they were proven to lose horsepower. PRL's cold air intake managed to maintain its horsepower even in the long run. So yeah, guys, got the PRL silicone that goes from the turbo inlet pipe into our box here. We got some decal for our car. We still have the QED one to put in as well. Here's the PRL filter. The accessory to go from the box to the, I think it's the filter to the silicone tube. No, I don't remember. I'd have to read the guide. We did get the street math just because we do not, at the moment, I don't plan on tuning the car until I get a downpipe in the future. But this is the box of the cold air intake. Very nice. So once it's in the car, it will be sitting like that, and then you'll be able to see the filter. But yeah, guys, next cutaway, it's going to be us removing our cold air intake and then assembling this. Take off the OEM cold air intake, which is this here. We did assemble the box. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get any audio or a better proper video of me putting it together, but nonetheless, we're going to be taking off this hose here, also the MAF sensor, and these other sensors here. So yeah, guys, I already took out the weather stripping, but there's clips here for you to take off the weather stripping. And then there's these two bolts here, a bolt down there, and this bolt here. After that, you want to take these off, and then you're basically done. Then you pop this out, take this out, and yeah, guys, so we'll cut to the next part once we have this all disassembled. Alright, guys, we finally have the PRL cold air intake. This is what it looks like. Very nice. I'm honestly in love with the way it sounds. Also, guys, I'm sorry I wasn't able to fully record me putting in the box. My phone did die. But with the next install, with the next part coming up, we should be able to record a little bit of a better install, like the QED gas pedal spacer, guys. But nonetheless, I did record some audio clips with the cold air intake, and that'll be played at the end of this video. But nonetheless, guys, if you guys did enjoy, stay tuned for more content. Something that definitely should be bought. That sound is honestly my favorite. That sound is crazy. See if this person's gonna be able to go into their driveway. We're gonna go for another rip, see if I can get some more audio clips for you guys. This PRL intake sounds. Honestly, in love.